Listen now to these powerful words of assurance from Psalm 121. I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord, which made heaven and earth. Right now, lift up your spiritual eyes above your circumstances. Above the storm clouds of your situation, the sun of righteousness is shining. Your help isn't coming from man, from your own strength, or from your circumstances changing. Your help comes from the Lord, the creator of this very rain you're hearing. He will not suffer thy foot to be moved. He that keepeth thee will not slumber. Behold, he that keepeth Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep. While you rest tonight, God is working. While you sleep, he's fighting your battles. The rain falls while the world sleeps, watering the earth, preparing tomorrow's harvest. So God works in the quiet hours, orchestrating your breakthrough. The Lord is thy keeper. The Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand. The sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night. You are kept, protected, preserved, maintained. The same God who sends rain on the just and unjust is personally keeping you. You're under divine surveillance. Heaven's protection agency never takes a break. The Lord shall preserve thee from all evil. He shall preserve thy soul. The Lord shall preserve thy going out and thy coming in from this time forth and even forevermore. From this time forth, starting right now, in this moment, you are preserved. Your going out tomorrow morning is preserved. Your coming in tomorrow evening is preserved. Your future is preserved. Your destiny is preserved. Now let the rain wash over you as we declare the benefits of belonging to God from Psalm 103. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits. Like countless raindrops, his benefits are too numerous to count. Each drop represents a blessing, a benefit, a gift from your heavenly Father. Let's remember them together. Who forgiveth all thine iniquities, who healeth all thy diseases, who redeemeth thy life from destruction, who crowneth thee with loving kindness and tender mercies. All your iniquities forgiven, all your diseases healed, your life redeemed from destruction. You are crowned not with thorns, but with loving kindness, not with shame, but with tender mercies. Who satisfieth thy mouth with good things, so that thy youth is renewed like the eagles. This rain is renewing the earth, and God's Spirit is renewing you. You're not getting older and weaker. You're being renewed, restored, revitalized. Your strength is returning. Your joy is returning. Your peace is returning. The Lord executed righteousness and judgment for all that are oppressed. He made known his ways unto Moses, his acts unto the children of Israel. If you've been oppressed, pressed down, held back, hear this. God is executing righteousness on your behalf. The judge of all the earth is reviewing your case, and the verdict is in your favor. Let's move into the bold declaration of Psalm 27. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? Let that question sink in with the rain. Whom shall you fear? What person, what situation, what diagnosis, what financial crisis is greater than the Lord who is your light, salvation, and strength? When the wicked, even mine enemies and my foes, came upon me to eat up my flesh, they stumbled and fell. Your enemies are stumbling right now. Every plot against you is failing. Every scheme is backfiring. Like rain washing away footprints, God is washing away every trap set for your feet. Though an host should encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war should rise against me, in this I will be confident. An entire army could surround you, but you're surrounded by something greater. The hosts of heaven, the armies of the Lord. Be confident, be bold, be assured of your victory. One thing have I desired of the Lord, that will I seek after, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord and to inquire in his temple. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. My soul shall make her boast in the Lord. The humble shall hear thereof and be glad. Even in the storm, even in the rain, we bless him. Our praise isn't dependent on sunshine. We worship in the rain, in the storm, in the valley, on the mountain. I sought the Lord and he heard me and delivered me from all my fears. All your fears. Not some, not most, all. Let them go now. Let the rain carry them away. Every fear, every worry, every anxious thought, let it flow away with the water. The angel of the Lord encampeth round about them that fear him and delivereth them. You're surrounded right now. Angels are encamped around you. You're in a spiritual fortress. No evil can penetrate this divine protection. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man that trusteth in him. Oh, fear the Lord, ye his saints, for there is no want to them that fear him. The Lord will perfect that which concerneth me. Thy mercy, O Lord, endureth forever. Forsake not the works of thine own hands. Whatever concerns you tonight is being perfected. God doesn't do incomplete work. He who began a good work in you will complete it. You are the work of his hands, and he never forsakes his own handiwork. As this second portion of our journey closes, remember, you are held in the hands that command the rain. You are loved by the heart that numbers every drop. Rest now in that love. Let peace deeper than the ocean settle in your soul. Beloved, listen to how intimately God knows you. From Psalm 139. O Lord, thou hast searched me and known me. Thou knowest my downsitting and mine uprising. Thou understandest my thought afar off. Every tear you've cried in secret, he's collected. Every prayer you've whispered in the darkness, he's heard. Every burden you've carried alone, he's felt. You're not unknown. You're not unseen. You are completely known and perfectly loved. Thou compassest my path and my lying down, and art acquainted with all my ways. For there is not a word in my tongue, but lo, O Lord, thou knowest it altogether. He knows what you need before you ask. He knows what you're going through before you explain. Like this rain knows exactly where to fall, God knows exactly what you need and when you need it. Thou hast beset me behind and before, and laid thine hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me. It is high, I cannot attain unto it. Behind you, he's got your past covered. Before you, he's already in your future. His hand is upon you right now. You're surrounded, protected, guided, loved. Whither shall I go from thy spirit, or whither shall I flee from thy presence? If I ascend up into heaven, thou art there. If I make my bed in hell, behold, thou art there. Even in your darkest moment, even in your deepest valley, he is there. The rain falls in the valley and on the mountain alike. His presence fills every space, every situation, every season of your life. If I take the wings of the morning and dwell in the uttermost parts of the sea, even there shall thy hand lead me, and thy right hand shall hold me. You cannot outrun his love. You cannot exhaust his grace. You cannot outdistance his mercy. Wherever you are right now, physically, emotionally, spiritually, his hand is leading you, holding you. For thou hast possessed my reins. Thou hast covered me in my mother's womb. I will praise thee, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are thy works, and that my soul knoweth right well. You are not an accident. You are not a mistake. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Every detail of your life has been crafted by the Master's hand. You are God's masterpiece. Now receive this promise of restoration from Psalm 30. I will extol thee, O Lord, for thou hast lifted me up, and hast not made my foes to rejoice over me. O Lord my God, I cried unto thee, and thou hast healed me. Your lifting has begun. Your healing is in process. Your enemies will not have the last laugh. God is turning your story around. O Lord, thou hast brought up my soul from the grave. Thou hast kept me alive, that I should not go down to the pit. Sing unto the Lord, O ye saints of his, and give thanks at the remembrance of his holiness. What the enemy meant to bury you with is becoming the fertilizer for your future. You're coming up. You're coming out. You're coming through. For his anger endureth but a moment, and his favor is life. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. Listen closely. This is crucial. Weeping may endure for a night, not every night, not endless nights, a night. Your morning is coming. Joy is on the schedule. It's not a possibility. It's a promise. Thou hast turned for me my mourning into dancing. Thou hast put off my sackcloth and girded me with gladness, to the end that my glory may sing praise to thee, and not be silent. O Lord my God, I will give thanks unto thee forever. Blessed is the man whose strength is in thee, in whose heart are the ways of them, who passing through the valley of Baca, make it a well. The rain also filleth the pools. The valley of Baca means valley of weeping. But look what happens. It becomes a well. Your tears are not wasted. Like this rain filling pools, your tears are creating wells of wisdom, pools of purpose, springs of strength for others who will walk this path. They go from strength to strength. Every one of them in Zion appeareth before God. Not from strength to weakness, not from strength to struggle, from strength to strength. Each trial is making you stronger. Each test is increasing your testimony. He healeth the broken in heart, and bindeth up their wounds. He telleth the number of the stars. He calleth them all by their names. The God who numbers the stars and calls them by name knows your name, knows your pain, and is binding up your wounds right now. Every raindrop is a healing balm from heaven. Great is our Lord, and of great power. His understanding is infinite. The Lord lifteth up the meek. He casteth the wicked down to the ground. As we prepare to close, receive these final promises from Psalm 16. Preserve me, O Lord, for in thee do I put my trust. Thou wilt show me the path of life. In thy presence is fullness of joy. At thy right hand there are pleasures forevermore. Fullness of joy, not partial, not temporary, but fullness. Pleasures forevermore, not fleeting happiness, but eternal joy. This is your inheritance. This is your portion. The Lord bless thee and keep thee. The Lord make his face shine upon thee and be gracious unto thee. The Lord lift up his countenance upon thee and give thee peace. Now, beloved, as the rain continues its gentle lullaby, rest in these promises. Let them wash over your soul like healing rain. Tonight you will sleep in perfect peace because your mind is stayed on him. Tomorrow you will wake in strength because joy comes in the morning. Close your eyes now. Let the rain sing you to sleep. Let heaven's symphony carry you into dreams of promise, visions of victory, and rest that restores. You are loved. You are protected. You are blessed. And it is well with your soul. Sweet dreams, child of God. The rain will keep watch while you rest in his promises.